Hey, Pilates lovers! Welcome to our exciting Wall Pilates session. Today, we're going to explore a unique and fun way to enhance your Pilates routine by incorporating the wall. Whether you're a seasoned Pilates enthusiast or a complete beginner, this workout is designed to challenge and inspire you. So let's get started and have some fun. Ready for a fun workout? Before we dive into the exercises, make sure you have a clear wall space and a mat for comfort. Wall Pilates is a fantastic way to improve your strength, flexibility, and balance. It's also a great way to add variety to your regular Pilates routine. So let's warm up and get our bodies ready for some amazing moves. We will try Wall Pilates today. This workout will involve using the wall to support and challenge our movements. We'll start with some basic exercises to get comfortable with the wall, and then we'll progress to more advanced moves. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks if you need to. The wall is a great tool to help you find stability and alignment in your Pilates practice. It is great for beginners. If you're new to Pilates, the wall can provide extra support and guidance as you learn the movements. We'll focus on proper form and technique to ensure you get the most out of each exercise. Don't worry if you can't do everything perfectly right away. Practice makes progress. Let's enjoy the journey and celebrate every small victory along the way. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Pilates. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more content that you love. If you find this workout helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the joy of Pilates and inspire others to join us on this fitness journey. Subscribe for more videos from me. Leave a comment below. We have a lot of exciting workouts and tips coming your way. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback, so don't hesitate to leave a comment. Let us know what you enjoyed about this workout and what you'd like to see in future videos. Tell me your favorite exercise. Sharing is caring, and we'd love to know what exercises you enjoy the most. Whether it's a classic Pilates move or something new you've discovered, your input helps us create content that resonates with you. Let's build a supportive and motivating community together. Thanks for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Wall Pilates is a type of Pilates. It uses a wall. The wall helps you balance, it adds resistance to moves, you use your body weight. It is a great way to get strong. Wall Pilates is good for everyone. It is low impact, it is easy on your joints, it helps you build strength, it improves flexibility. It is a great workout. You don't need much for Wall Pilates. Find an empty wall, wear comfortable clothes, you can use a mat. A mat is optional. Now we are ready. Section 5, warm-up, let's begin. We will start with a warm-up. Stand facing the wall, step 1 foot back, slightly bend your knees, keep your back straight, hold for 10 seconds. Switch legs, repeat 10 times. Section 6, wall sit, feel the burn. This exercise is a fantastic way to build strength and endurance in your lower body. It's simple yet incredibly effective, targeting your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Plus, it engages your core, making it a great all-around workout. Now let's do a wall sit. First, find a clear wall space where you can lean your back against. Make sure the area is free of any obstacles that might get in your way. This will ensure you can perform the exercise safely and effectively. Stand with your back to the wall. Walk your feet out. Position your feet about 2 feet away from the wall, shoulder width apart. This stance will give you the stability you need to perform the exercise correctly. Keep your back straight and pressed firmly against the wall. Slide down until your knees are bent. Lower your body slowly, as if you are sitting down on an invisible chair. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground, and your knees should be directly above your ankles. This position ensures that you are engaging the right muscles. It should look like you are sitting in a chair. Hold for 30 seconds. Do 3 sets. As you hold the position, focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. This will help you maintain the position and keep your muscles engaged. If you're a beginner, you might find it challenging to hold the position for the full 30 seconds. That's okay. Start with a shorter duration and gradually increase the time as your strength improves. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the stronger you'll become. home or even at the office, you can take a few minutes to strengthen your lower body. So next time you have a few spare minutes, find a wall and give it a try. Your legs will thank you. Section 7. Standing lunges. Find your balance. Let's try standing lunges. Stand facing the wall. This exercise is excellent for building strength in your legs and improving your balance. It's particularly useful for those who are looking to enhance their stability and coordination. By using the wall for support, you can focus on maintaining proper form and technique without worrying about losing your balance. Place your hands on the wall. This will help you maintain your balance as you move through the exercise. Make sure your hands are at shoulder height and your fingers are spread out for better grip. This position will provide you with the necessary support and stability, allowing you to concentrate on the movement of your legs and hips. Step one leg back into a lunge. Ensure that your back leg is straight and your front knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. This position engages your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, providing a comprehensive lower body workout. It's important to keep your core engaged and your back straight to avoid any strain on your lower back. Lower your hips towards the floor. As you lower your hips, make sure to keep your front knee aligned with your ankle. This will help prevent any unnecessary stress on your knee joint. Lowering your hips engages your glutes and hamstrings even more, making the exercise more effective. Breathe in as you lower your hips and exhale as you push back up. Keep your front knee behind your toes. This is crucial for maintaining proper form and preventing injury. Your knee should never extend past your toes, as this can put undue stress on your knee joint. Focus on keeping your weight evenly distributed between both legs. Push back up to the starting position by pressing through your front heel. This will help activate your glutes and hamstrings. Repeat 10 times on each leg. Consistency is key to building strength and improving balance. Make sure to perform the exercise slowly and with control, focusing on your form and breathing. As you become more comfortable with the movement, you can increase the number of repetitions or add weights for an added challenge. Remember, the goal is to improve your balance and strength, so take your time and listen to your body. Section 8. Cool down, stretch it out. Time to cool down, stand facing the wall. Place your hands on the wall, step back with one leg, straighten that leg. Feel a stretch in your calf. Hold for 30 seconds, switch legs. Section 9. Keep moving with us. That was your 10-minute Wall Pilates workout. Wasn't it fun? Remember to listen to your body. Stop if you feel any pain. I post new workouts every week. Make sure you subscribe.